Alright, so I'm getting ready to show you how to tie a baby, wrap a baby up into another gold baby carrier wrap thingamabob, because no one's asked me to do it, but I'm going to take it upon myself to show you all this great wrapping technology here. So, first and foremost, got the bag, logo on it, wavy. So you take it out the bag, and what you'll notice is that in the bag, or excuse me, on the wrap, there is a logo here. This is the very center point of the entire wrap. You need this as a guideline. What you're going to do is you're going to take where the center point is, put it on your chest here, use your chin to hold it down, grab out the wing parts here, bring it around your back, cross it up, stretch out like a bird, bring it over your shoulders, pull your shirt down to be graceful. So now you have this. What you're going to do is you're going to take the two straps here, drop them through the loop like so, pull up, pull down, grab each one individually, pull up, pull down, up, down. We don't have to get rid of any excess slack because the fabric is stretchy. Then what you're going to do with the two flaps here, you're going to cross them up, make an X, right around the belly button area. That's going to be the baby's seat. You take it around your back, bring it back around front if you have the space, tie it up, put it in a knot. What you're going to do is you're going to take this part here, bring it down some, and then the part that's the closest to you, the strap that's closest to you, that's going to be the baby's first seat. So, super baby. Give him a second. He's a fast baby, but he's kind of slow too. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the baby in this first wrap here. Super baby. Hey, what's up, super baby? So take a baby. Takes about 9 months to make. Real easy work, no problems. It was an easy day for me. So you take the baby, put it up. Grab the inside wrap like I told you, or inside strap. Put it around the body. Wrap it around your hand. Bring it up over baby's shoulder. Under the baby's feet. Tuck the baby as much as you can inside the first strap. I got you, buddy. I got you. There we go. Transition hands and go for the second wrap. Take the second one, tuck his hand in like that, bring the second one up and around, making sure you tuck in as much as you can the excess underneath of them to give them more bounce space. Now, it's pretty secure, but you take the last part, don't headbutt me, you take the last part, you pull it up, back of his head, just like that. You can also take the other straps, the inside and the outside straps I showed you earlier, and bring them up a little bit. If you want to tuck their head a little bit more. And then, like I said, you just take, where is it at? There we go, this part. And you just pull it up. And that's for back support. You can pull it up some more. The back of the head support. It's been held in here from these ones right here. This is foot. Yeah, so it's strapped in here. Good to go. And now you have your baby sitting on the carrier, no problems, no issues. Baby can hang out there, relax there all day, go to sleep, protect it from the sun. Yeah. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below.